And welcome to today's video. This is a basic foundational literacy lesson, continuing to talk about phonics. And today is a review lesson, so we're going to review all of the sounds that we've learned so far. All right, so see if you can remember these sounds, not the letter names, but the actual sounds that the letters make. And then restart the video to listen and check.
B, E, G, A, K, D.
All right, now listen again, and you'll write down the numbers in the order that you hear them, or the sounds in the order that you hear them. Pause the video while you do that. Or no, you don't have to pause the video. You can listen, and then I'll play it a second time in order for you to check your answers.
G, B, K, E, A, D, K,
All right, I'll play it a second time, and this time I'll mark down the correct answers.
G, B, K, E, A, D, K,
All right, now practice sounding out these words. This time you can pause the video and try this on your own, and then restart to listen and check.
A, T, S, hats, T, A, S, K, task, S, M, some, N, man, P, I, N, pin, G, E, T, S, gets.
All right, here are a few more words. Again, pause the video, practice sounding them out, and then saying the word, and then you can restart the video to check your answers.
A, T, S, cats, N, T, hunt, T, E, N, 10, B, T, but, F, A, S, T, fast, E, N, Z, hens.
Right, here are a few more to practice.
D, I, G, Z, digs, A, M, Pam. M, D, mud. A, T, hat. E, N, pen. T, A, M, Tom.
All right, this time you'll listen, you write down the words that you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answer so you can check.
Mud. Hat. Pen. Cats. Digs. Tom.
Okay, I'll play it again and fill in the correct answers.
Mud. Hat. Pen. Cats. Digs. Tom.
All right, now you'll review the sight words. Remember, you can't sound them out. You just have to memorize these. So go ahead and try reading these on your own and then listen to check.
The. See. Said. My. Go.
All right, now we're going to look at the pictures and read this story. Uh, you can sound out the words if you don't know them. If you already know them, just read the words and then restart the video to listen.
Big cats sit in the sun. The cats see 10 hens. The cats hunt a hen. The cats go, but the hen is fast.
Right, now you'll read the whole story. Go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, read the entire story, and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
Big cats sit in the sun. The cats see 10 hens. The cats hunt a hen. The cats go, but the hen is fast.
All right, here's another story. Again, try to read the sentence on your own and then listen to check.
Pam digs in the mud. A big bag is in the mud. In the bag is a pen. In the bag is a hat. Pam, said Tom, it is my bag.
Right. All right, now read the entire story again. Pause the video while you do that, and then restart when you're ready to check.
Pam digs in the mud. A big bag is in the mud. In the bag is a pen. In the bag is a hat. Pam, said Tom, it is my bag.
That brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.